In the apparel manufacturing industry, there is no shortage of standards to measure quality. Manufacturing processes, equipment, teamwork, and accountability are all important, but if the quality of fabric falls short, nothing else can make up for it. Apparel manufacturers judge fabric quality in a number of ways, including color, drape, hand, durability, conformance, and number of defects. Detecting flaws is critical for quality. In-process inspection helps ensure that factory seconds don't pass as firsts. If the inventory of seconds exceeds just 3% of output, profitability can be seriously affected. Identifying problems early also lets fabric makers make improvements in subsequent production runs. Bars, mispicks, streaks, slubs, and knots may sound like peculiar terms, but for a cloth inspector, these are the names of fabric defects they've been trained to detect.